Come test drive the 2017 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, door edge guards, engine immobilizer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.